In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Zelle to GCash. If you've tried to move money directly from Zelle to GCash, you've probably noticed it doesn't work. That's because Zelle only operates between US bank accounts. The simple workaround is to use a reliable money transfer service, and today we'll use Wise to bridge the gap so the funds land in a GCash wallet. Before we start, make sure you have a Wise account you can sign into, the recipient's GCash registered mobile number and full name, and a US bank account or debit card to fund the transfer. A quick note: Wise may occasionally ask you to verify your identity, which is normal for security and compliance. Open Wise, sign in, and select Send Money. This takes you to the transfer setup. When you're asked where the money is going, choose the Philippines as the destination country. For the delivery method, select e-wallet. Then, from the list of wallet providers, choose GCash. This ensures the money is routed straight to the recipient's GCash balance instead of a bank account. Next, enter the recipient's GCash mobile number and their name exactly as it appears on their GCash profile. Take a moment to double check the number format and spelling. Even a small typo can delay the transfer or cause it to be rejected. Enter the amount you want to send. Wise will show you a transparent breakdown of fees, the exchange rate, and an estimated arrival time before you proceed. If you prefer to control what the recipient receives in Philippine pesos, you can type that amount and let Wise calculate what you need to pay in US dollars. Now choose how you'd like to pay. You can fund the transfer with your US bank account or use a debit card. Bank payments are often lower cost, while debit card payments are usually faster. Pick the option that fits your priorities for speed and fees. Review everything carefully: destination country, delivery method, GCash as the wallet, the recipient's number and name, the amount, fees, and timing. If it all looks good, confirm the transfer. It's a good idea to save the receipt or confirmation page for your records. Once processed, the money will be delivered to the recipient's GCash wallet. They should see a notification in their GCash app and the funds available for use. Processing times can vary slightly based on payment method and routine checks, so give it a little time if it doesn't appear immediately. That's it. Using Wise to send money from Zelle's ecosystem to GCash is straightforward, secure, and quick when you follow these steps.